me and my friend has found a story for you guys this morning. So we are going to read it together. It's called Wakey Birds. Will they ever sleep? The jungle is an exotic place full of fascinating creatures. One of the most interesting species is called the Wakey bird. Beep! Wakey bird gets their name because they have trouble falling asleep. You have trouble falling asleep, don't you, sometimes? If we take a closer look, we can see why. They can't get comfortable. That's true. They are easily spooked. They have lots of big thoughts. And they get very itchy. Thankfully, the jungle is also as soothing shushers and go to sleep leapers. A soothing shusher looks like that. Can you see? And a go to sleep leaper looks like that. Looks like a frog, doesn't it? These creatures help settle the Wakey bird down with calming noises. Go to sleep, shush, shush, shush. Go to sleep. Look at that. Then the birds go back to their nest where they finally close their eyes and drift off to sleep. Except for the littlest Wakey bird. Tonight, she is just not tired. It's not much fun being the only one awake. Beep. Instead of sleeping, she wants to play a game of hide and go peep. Maybe you guys can play that today. Except there is no other Wakey to come to find her. She's getting lonely. She's getting very sad. She's getting a stick to wake the others up. She's bang, 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 bang. Of course, they are delighted to join the fun. Chirp, tweet, tweet, go, go, shh, squawk, quick, quick, cheep. You make so much noise, don't you, Simba? But now, things have got very loud. These Wakeys need to watch out. Tweet, go to sleep, quick. Grrr. Shh, cheep, cheep, chirp, shh. Or they'll wake up the loudest animal in the jungle. What do you think that animal is? The shrieking monkey? No. Let's see. Shriek! It was the shrieking monkey. Look at him. No, no, no. It is definitely way too loud. And this time, they really need to be careful or they will disturb the one animal that should never, ever be disturbed. Who do you think that might be? No, it's not your mummies and daddies. The dreaded jungle beast. Grrr, who dares to disturb my slumber? Go. Let's see. Oh dear, the dreaded jungle beast has come out of his cave. The littlest Wakey bird is so scared she can't even move. She had better speak up before she gets jumped. Beep, beep. I can't sleep. Well then, I know just what you need to do with you. Wait here. The dreaded jungle beast goes back into his deep, dark cave. What is he doing? The littlest Wakey bird is so scared she'll become a midnight snack. She is trembling with terror. Are you scared, Simba? Oh no. Finally the beast returns with a stomp, stomp, stomp. He's carrying a great big storybook. A very long history of the jungle. He's not that scary at all, is he? The Wakey birds have never heard a story before. They huddled together in a nice close area. Once upon a time, a long, long time ago, and the dreaded jungle beast begins to read his story in a beastly voice. Soon, the Wakey birds aren't feeling so wakey anymore. But the littlest Wakey bird is still not asleep. He's also yellow. Finding lots of things that are yellow today, aren't we? Never mind. She is now. And the rest of the jungle is too. The end. That was a lovely story and I very much enjoyed reading it to you guys. But for now, children, you carry on with your days. Mr. John's going to send you some more videos later on. Shall we say goodbye, Simba? Bye.